Hello guys, in this video we will explain the solution to all the communication and call problems that you face in Telegram, but you must follow these steps that I will explain. Even if you preceded him and took a certain step, you must follow all the steps explained in this video, and God willing, the problem will be solved for you before going through explanation. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel, please, not an order, like the video and share the video. Thank you very much for everyone who supports me. Now let us go through the explanation. The first step you take is to make sure that you have the latest version of the Telegram application. You go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and make sure that you have it. Latest version. The second step is to go to Settings, then go to Applications. After that, we click on Applications. Then we search for the Telegram application among the applications that we have here, or we write in the Telegram search engine. Sorry, we write Telegram and Telegram will appear for us. We click on it after that. We make sure that the internet reaches. Telegram application. If you have the internet working on the phone, this does not mean that it also works in Telegram. Therefore, we have to make sure that the internet also works in the Telegram application. How to do that? We click on Data Usage, then we go down to the bottom. We activate these three options so that the Telegram application can access to the internet from mobile data, Wi-Fi, and mobile data when roaming as well. Now this is the first step. The second and third step is to go back and then click on Storage. Click on Storage, and then click on Clear Cache. After that, we go back and click on Permissions, and make sure that the Telegram application has the full permissions it needs. We click on Contacts and then give it permission. We click on the phone and give it permission. We click on the microphone and give it permission. We give it all the permissions it needs. After that, we exit and click on Notifications and activate the notifications as well, all of them now. After doing this process, we press the power button or the phone switch off button for a long time and we restart your phone and you will find the old problem solved, but if the problem is not solved, it is okay. We do a final step, which is to go back and enter the settings. After that, we enter the applications. Then we enter the applications. Once again, after that, we click on the three dots above here, then we click on Reset Application Preferences. As you can see, resetting application preferences will adjust the preference settings for the following applications. This means that the applications are disabled. If there are disabled applications, the problem will be solved. Notifications, applications are disabled, or the default applications and usage restrictions. Applications for data in the background, and most importantly, you will not lose any data and nothing will be deleted. After doing this process and resetting, we press the phone switch off button and we do this to turn on our phone, and you will find that the problem may be solved for whoever has any problem. If he has any inquiry or any suggestion, or if you have any advice, write it in the comments. See you in an upcoming video, God willing.